All right, welcome to your second bucket drumming lesson. Today we're going to learn the routine that I just played, and the routine is written right here on the dry erase board. So before we move on, you need to make sure you have the materials you need. So of course you need a bucket. You could also use a garbage can. You could try this on a pot if you'd like. You're gonna need 2 sticks, so either drumsticks or spoons, some utensil from your kitchen. Pencils might work very well. Today I have a spatula and a metal spoon. So if you do not have the materials you need, pause this video and get them, and we'll continue when you're back. Okay, everyone should have their materials. The first thing we're gonna do is review a little bit from our Bucket Drumming 1 video, okay? So last week, we learned about 16th notes. 4 of them fit into 1 beat. That is how fast they are. And the way we count them is tiki, 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 tiki. Okay, let's look at our routine. Okay, now don't be intimidated if you thought that it sounded difficult, because if you slow it down and break it up into some pieces, it's pretty easy. Okay, so I've broken it down into 4 sections. Okay, so section 1, you have tiki, 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 ta. And then you repeat it how many times? 4 times. Okay. Next section, tiki, tiki, ta, tiki, tiki, ta. And once again, we're going to repeat that 4 times. Next section, does this look familiar? Think about it for a second. Okay, so hopefully everyone said, it's the same as the first line, okay? The only difference is we're gonna do it 3 times instead of 4. Tiki, 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 ta. Tiki, 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 ta. Tiki, 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 ta. The last part is just 4 quarter notes. Ta, 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 ta. And that's how we end the routine, okay? So before we try playing this, we're just gonna say it, okay? So I find that the most difficult part is not getting lost when you're counting how many times you're doing this. So let's try this. I'll say a phrase of this, and I want you just to repeat back what I'm saying, okay? Tiki, 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 ta. Tiki, 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 ta. Tiki, 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 ta. Last time. Tiki, 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 ta. Move to the second line. Tiki, tiki, ta, tiki, tiki, ta. Tiki, tiki, ta, tiki, tiki, ta. Tiki, tiki, ta, tiki, tiki, ta. Last time, tiki, tiki, ta, tiki, tiki, ta. Move on to the third line. Tiki, 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 ta. Tiki, 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 ta. Tiki, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Right, there you go. So if that was easy for you, we're going to move on to the next step. If you found that to be a little difficult, rewind the video and do it a few more times. Okay, so moving on. Now that we can say it, we're going to play it. Before we play it on the drum, we're just going to play it on our legs, okay? So here we go. You got your right hand, you got your left hand, you got your knees. We are alternating hands, okay? So here we go. We're gonna try this whole thing together. We're gonna do it at a very slow tempo, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Tiki, 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 ta. Tiki, 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 ta. Tiki, 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 ta. One more time. Tiki, 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 ta. 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 tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki tiki ta, tiki 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 ta, tiki 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 ta, tiki 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 ta, ta 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 ta. Okay, let's try that again. We're gonna speed it up a little more. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Tiki 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 ta. Tiki 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 ta. Tiki 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 ta. Last time. Tiki 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 ta. 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 Tiki 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 ta. Tiki 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 ta. Tiki 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. All right. Okay. We're ready. You ready for your bucket? Here we go. This time I'll play a segment and you play it back. Okay? So here we go. My turn. Now, I'm going to do something with this orange marker. I'm going to underline the quarter note, okay, so that you know to play that in the middle. If something is underlined or circled in orange, we're going to play it in the middle. Otherwise, play it on the rim, okay? So let's try that again. Okay, next part. Now, this part is a little trickier because you do have to use the center of the drum a little bit more, okay? So this beat here, okay, so actually all the quarter notes in this whole routine are played in the middle, okay? But for this line, you also have the first in all the sets of 16th notes, okay? So this is a little tricky. Just think of how this goes. So it's like the center, rim, 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 center, center, rim, 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 center, okay? Let's try that. Okay, my turn, and then repeat. There we go, so you can see better. Okay. So of course we repeat that line 4 times. We go back to line 3. The only thing we're playing in the center is the quarter note. And then last line, all 4 of these are going to be played in the middle. Okay, we're going to do this whole thing together really slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third time. 4th time. Line 2. Keep going. Third line. Center. One more time. Go to the center. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Now, for next week, I'm going to have another bucket drumming video, and I would like to give you guys a challenge, okay? I would love if one of you could write a bucket drumming routine. So you could do this a few different ways. You could get a piece of paper and write down your routine like this. Or if you don't want to write it out, you could make a video of yourself playing your bucket drumming routine and send it to me and I'll figure it out, okay? So this is your chance to be creative and write your own drumming routine. So the way to send any work to me is through my email. And here we go. Here it is, Jordan-Rial at cm201u.org. And I hope you guys liked that video, and I can't wait to hear what you come up with. Bye.